అందరికీ నమస్కారం. Today we will discuss about data processing circuits. We will discuss about data processing circuits. So here the data processing circuits are logic circuits. So here data processing circuits. Here, the data processing circuits are logic circuits that process the binary data. Process binary data. So these are here the data processing circuits are logic circuits that process binary data. So here such circuits may be such circuits may be first one is multiplexers and another one is demultiplexers. So demultiplexers. Here, the multiplexer is simply called as MUX, and the demultiplexers are simply called as DMUX. Okay, so here the data processing circuits are logic circuits that process binary data. So here, such as the circuits may be multiplexer, demultiplexers, and also encoders and decoders, and decoders. Okay, so and XOR gates. And XOR gates. Okay, so here a digital circuit performs the multiplexing of digital signal is called a multiplexer or MUX in short. Okay, so here mainly here the data processing circuits are defined as the data processing circuits or logic circuits here that process binary data. So such circuits may be here the multiplexers, demultiplexers, and encoders and decoders and also XOR gates. Okay, so then here for example here a digital circuit that performs the multiplexing of digital signal, okay, is called the multiplexer. Okay, so that is MUX in short. Okay, so here this is about the data processing circuits. Okay, and then we will discuss about multiplexers and demultiplexers and encoders, decoders, and also XOR gates. Okay, so ఇవి ముఖ్యంగా ఏంటంటే డేటా ప్రాసెసింగ్ సర్క్యూట్స్ అవి లాజిక్ సర్క్యూట్స్. సో దట్ ప్రాసెస్ బైనరీ డేటాని ప్రాసెస్ చేస్తారు. సో దాంట్లో సర్క్యూట్స్ మేబీ సో ఇవి ఈ విధంగా కొన్ని సర్క్యూట్స్ అనేవి ఉంటాయి. సో ఇప్పుడు సింపుల్గా ఈ మల్టీప్లెక్సర్స్ ఏంటి, డిమల్టీప్లెక్సర్స్ ఏంటి, ఈ ఎన్కోడర్స్ ఏంటి, అలాగే ఈ డీకోడర్స్. సో సింపుల్ మేనర్లో ఒకసారి కొంచెం బ్రీఫ్గా డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ we will discuss about coders, encoder and decoder. So first one we will discuss about a decoder. So here the decoder is a logic circuit. Okay, so here the decoder is a logical circuit or binary circuit. Okay, so here the decoder is a logical circuit or binary circuit which converts the given binary number. It converts the given binary number into decimal equivalent. Okay. Okay, so here decoder. So here the decoder is a logical circuit or binary circuit. Okay. So here which converts the given binary into decimal equivalent. Okay. So here then we will see the a small symbol of equivalent symbol of decoder is so this is not given equal and so on. Yeah. Okay, and so on. AM. So here this is O1 and O2 and O3 and so on. Yeah. Okay, so here only one output is activated. So here in decoder, only one output is activated. Okay, so here only one output is activated. So here this is decoder. Okay, so for example, here for three inputs, so there are 2 cube is equals to 8. So for example here, 3 inputs, there are 2 cube that is equals to 8 outputs. Okay, so here only one output is activated. So for a set of 3 inputs, okay, so here like integrated circuit 74138 is a 3 line to 8 line decoder. Here 74138 is a 74138 circuit integrated circuit is a 3 line to for example 3 inputs and here 8 outputs. Okay, so here 8 decimal outputs. 8 decimal outputs and 3 inputs, 3 binary inputs. Okay, so here the decoder is a binary circuit which converts the given binary into, so here given binary into decimal or decimal equivalent. Okay, so here 3 binary inputs and 8 decimal outputs. Okay, so here 74138 is a 3 line to 8 line decoder, which is also known as one of 8 line decoder. That is the IC diagram of 74138 is, this is the integrated circuit diagram of 74138. Okay, so here this is about the decoder, and then we will discuss about the encoder. So here the encoder is a logical circuit. Oh, sorry, the encoder is a binary circuit which converts decimal number into binary number. Okay, binary equivalent. So, but here the decoder is a logical circuit or binary circuit which converts the given binary number into decimal equivalent. So here the encoder is which converts the given decimal number into binary equivalent. Okay, so Rasta. So here encoder is a binary circuit which converts the given decimal number into binary equivalent. Decimal number into binary equivalent is known as encoder. So here the encoder consists of 2 power n inputs and n outputs. Okay, so but in decoder n inputs 2 power n outputs, but here the encoder have 2 power n inputs. That means for example 2 cube is equals to 8 inputs and 1 output, sorry, n outputs. Okay, so you can see the uh, integrated circuit diagram of encoder is, so here the general representation of the encoder is, so here A0, A1, A2, so on n. So here 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. N. Okay, so here is 1, A2, decoder lo वो 2 power m outputs lo, but here the inputs is a 2 power m. So mali cheptuna, so here the encoder have 2 power m inputs and m outputs, but decoder have m inputs 2 power m outputs. Okay, so for example, the integrated circuit diagram of the encoder is here. The 2 power 3, for example 2 power 3 is equals to 8. So here the encoder have 8 inputs. Okay, not 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 inputs. So okay, and here the encoder have 3 outputs. Okay, so here this is about the encoder, and then we will discuss about the demultiplexer. It means data distributor or demultiplexer. Okay, demultiplexer. So here the general representation of the demultiplexer or data distributor. The general representation of the demultiplexer or data distributor is it has one input here, and then we will see the integrated circuit diagram of demultiplexer is it has, for example, 1:2 ratio. It means one input and two outputs. Okay? Yes, one input it is included by not by one. And here this is S1. Okay? And for example, another one is 2 is to 4 means the circuit integrated circuit diagram of demultiplexer can be written as, so here it has two input signals and four outputs, y0, y1, y2 and y3. Then ఒక ఇన్పుట్ తీసుకుంటే టూ అవుట్పుట్స్ వస్తాయి. P S0 S1 P S0 S1. Okay, sorry, 1:4, not 2:4, 1:4. One input, four outputs. Okay, then so the number, even numbers అట్లా పెరుగుతూ ఉంటాయి అవుట్పుట్స్. 1:2, 1:4, 1:8 and 1:16 స్క్వేర్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది అట్లా. ఓకే, సో 1:2 తీసుకునే దగ్గర మళ్ళీ 2 పవర్ n. సో 2 పవర్ n it means 2 power 2 into 2 4, the 4 into 4 6 atla. Okay, so here this is about demultiplexers. Here the demultiplexer is one into many. Is simply called as, and the demultiplexer is simply called as one into many. Okay, and the multiplexer is here the multiplexers means many into 1. ఇక్కడ చూడండి డీమల్టిప్లెక్సర్ తీసుకుంటే 1 into many ఇట్లా ఈ విధంగా. బట్ మల్టీప్లెక్సర్స్ తీసుకుంటే multiplexers means many into 1. It means like 2 is to 1 and 4 is to 1 and 8 is to 1 and 16 is to 1 like this. Okay, so then you can see the integrated circuit diagram of multiplexer is like this. Okay, and another one is 2 is to 1 and it has 4 is to 1. It means 4 inputs and 1 output. Okay, so here the data processing circuits are logic circuits that process binary data. Okay, so here we will discuss about the multiplexer. So here the multiplexer means many into 1. So in digital computer networks, the multiplexing is a method by which multiple digital data streams are combined into one signal over a shared medium. Okay, so here a digital circuit that performs the multiplexing of digital signals is called a multiplexer. Okay, so it has 2 inputs but only 1 output. By suitable control input and select input, we can steer any input to the output. Okay, so here this is about the multiplexers and this is all about the, so here that directly the data processing circuits. Okay, the data processing circuits are logic circuits that process the binary data. Okay, such circuits are multiplexers, demultiplexers, encoders and decoders, and also XOR gates. Okay. So here this is about the data processing circuits. Okay. So here the multiplexers is many into, sorry, 1 into many, and the multiplexers is many into 1. Okay, I hope all of you understand, and